Okay, let's do some of your homework together. Remember, the first thing you need to do is take a picture of your element box notes that we did in class. Primero hay que sacar una foto de los apuntes que hicimos en clase. So go over here to this slide, okay, and follow these steps. Sigan esos pasos. Go to Insert, Image, Camera, okay? And then Insert, Image, Camera. You're going to click on Take a Picture, then go to Insert, and then you should have a picture like this, okay? All right, so last class we talked about the parts of an element box on the periodic table. So let's do these together. Group 18, this is the group number. So let's move that box over here. This number on the top, we call this the atomic number. These letters, Ne, that is the chemical symbol. Neon is the element name. And 20.179, that is called the atomic mass. So you need to know the different parts of an element box. Okay, this tells you everything you need to know about an atom and how to read this information, okay? When you read this information, you can tell me how many protons, electrons, neutrons there are, and the valence electrons. So we are going to do some of these together. Okay. So the first thing, let's do oxygen together. Atomic number. The atomic number is the number at the top. So the atomic number is 8. Chemical symbol. The chemical symbol is the letter. Remember, it's capital. So write a capital O, una O mayúscula. Then we have the number of protons. We use the atomic number to tell you how many protons there are. Okay? El número de protones es el número atómico, este número acá. So oxygen has 8 protons. Number of electrons is the same as the number of protons. Okay, so we have to look at the atomic number again. Okay, the number of electrons is the same as the number of protons. So oxygen has 8 protons and 8 electrons. Okay, these are the same. Okay, lo mismo. Okay, number of neutrons. For number of neutrons, remember, you need to do this number. This is called the atomic mass. And then you need to do this number, atomic mass minus atomic number. So we have to do 16 minus the atomic number, which is 8. And that will give us 8 neutrons. 8 neutrons. Number of valence electrons. Use this to help you, okay? Valence electrons. If it's in group 1, it has 1 valence electron. Grupo 2 tiene 2. Group 2 has 2. And then group 13 has 3. Grupo 13 tiene 3 electrones de balance. Group 14 has 4, 15, 5, 16, 6, 17, 7, and 18, 8. Oxygen is in group 16. That means it has 6 valence electrons. So this is going to be 6. Easy, right? All right. Now let's do this one together. Boron. Okay, boron. The atomic number is this number at the top. It's 5. Okay? The chemical symbol is the letter. Remember, we don't use lowercase letters. It needs to be a capital B, una mayúscula. So here you're going to write or type B. That's the chemical symbol. Okay, remember, the number of protons is the same as the atomic number. El número de protones es lo mismo que el número atómico. So the atomic number is 5. That means boron has 5 protons. The number of electrons is the same as the number of protons. El número de electrones es siempre lo mismo que el número de protones. So boron has 5 protons. That means it has 5 neutrons. Okay, again, these numbers are going to be the same. All right, now let's do neutrons. Okay, remember, neutrons, you do atomic mass minus atomic number. Okay, that's how you do the number of neutrons. Atomic mass minus atomic number. Atomic mass is the number on the bottom. Okay, let's pay attention to this one. 10.8. You cannot don't do 10.8 minus 5. Okay, don't do that. You need to round the number. Tienes que encontrar el número más cercano a 10.8. So is 10.8 closer to 10 or is 10.8 closer to 11? 10.8 es más cercano a 10 o más cercano a 11. Okay? The correct answer is it's closer to 11. Okay? And remember the rule. If it's 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, or 0.9, you need to add one more, okay? Si el número es 0.5 o más, tienes que añadir uno. So 10 becomes 11, okay? Minus the atomic number. The atomic number is 5. So we do 11 minus 5 gives us 6 neutrons, okay? This is how we find neutrons. You do the atomic mass minus the atomic number. So the number of neutrons is 6. Number of valence electrons. You look at the group number. If it's group 13, that means it has 3 valence electrons. Okay? So this would be 3. All right. Let's keep practicing these together. Now let's do lithium together. The atomic number is this number right here. It's 3. Okay? The chemical symbol are the letters. Remember, the first one is capital, the second one is lowercase. La primera siempre mayúscula, y si hay una segunda letra es minúscula. It's never like this. Nunca es así. This is wrong. Okay? Number of protons. Remember, the atomic number tells you the number of protons and electrons. Okay? The atomic number tells you the number of protons and electrons. Okay? So it has 3 protons and 3 electrons. All right, now let's do neutrons, okay? Remember, to find neutrons, you need to do atomic mass minus atomic number, Okay? Let's do this one together. The atomic mass is this number, 6.9. But don't do 6.9 minus 3. No hagan eso. Okay? No. You need to say what number is closer to 6.9. ¿Cuál número es más cercano a 6.9? 6 or 7? Look at this number. It's 0.9. If it's 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, you need to add one more. Tienes que añadir uno más si es 0.5 o más. So 6.9 becomes 7. Okay? The atomic mass is 7 minus the atomic number, which is 3. And that's going to give you 4 neutrons. Okay? This is not that hard. You just have to keep practicing rounding, okay? 4. Number of valence electrons. How many electrons are farthest from the nucleus? Okay, if it's in group 1, that means it has 1 valence electron. We can say VE for valence electron. So that would mean 1 valence electron. Okay? All right. Now let's do magnesium. The atomic number is 12. If the atomic number is 12, that means it has 12 protons and 12 electrons. Remember, these are all the same. Okay? The chemical symbol is right here. Mg. Not like this. Así no. Okay? No. Not like this. No. It needs to be a capital M, little g. All right. Now let's do the number of neutrons. Okay? Again, you do atomic mass minus atomic number. Okay? Let's practice doing this again. The atomic mass is 24.3. Is this number closer to 24 or is this number closer to 25? 24.3 es más cercano a 24 o 25? The correct answer is 24. Okay? If the number is 0.4 or less, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, don't change it. No lo cambies. Okay? Si es 0.4 o menos, no lo vas a cambiar. No vas a añadir uno, como lo hiciste para 0.5 o más. So, this is 24.3. Just leave it at 24. The atomic mass is 24 minus atomic number, which is 12. That means it would be 12 neutrons. 12 neutrons. So I'm going to write a 12 here. Number of valence electrons. This is in group 2. That means it has 2 valence electrons. So let's put a 2 here. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do. We did oxygen, boron, lithium, and magnesium. Now you guys can do the potassium, fluorine, helium, silicon, and sodium, and phosphorus. Okay? Ya hicimos 4 juntos. Pueden hacer los demás solitos. Okay? But let me show you how to do this real quick. Déjenme enseñarles cómo hacer esto. Use the periodic table for the next section. So go to Google Classroom, click on your period, go to classwork, and here it says periodic table. Open this, abra esto, okay? You guys are going to use this periodic table. Okay, read the directions. The number of protons identifies the atom. The atomic number is the number of protons. For each atom picture, identify the name of the element. El número de protones identifica el átomo. El número atómico es el número de protones, tal como lo decimos. Para cada imagen de átomo, identifica el nombre del elemento. So, look at this picture right here, okay? This is an atom. You need to look at how many protons does it have. It has 17 protons, okay? That means the atomic number for this element, okay, the atomic number for this element is going to be 17, okay? The number on the top is going to be 17 because it has 17 protons, right? So, go to the periodic table and try to find which one has an atomic number of 17. Tienes que encontrar el uno que tiene un número atómico de 17. So it goes in order, by an order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's right here. Okay? What is the name of number 17? Number 17 is called chlorine. So this is a chlorine atom. So delete this line and write chlorine. Okay? Let's do two more. This only has one proton, right? That means the atomic number is going to be 1. So which element is number 1? Let's go back to the periodic table. Number 1 is up here. Number 1 is hydrogen. So this is a hydrogen atom. Esto es un átomo de hidrógeno. Porque tiene un protón y su número atómico es 1. It's a hydrogen atom because it has one proton, so its atomic number is 1. All right. Maybe we can do one more. Uno más, right? Okay, remember, protons have a positive charge. Tiene una carga positiva los protones. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 protons. Which one is number 4? Right here, beryllium. Beryllium is number 4. So you are going to write beryllium here. Okay? Do these last two by yourself. Which one has 29 protons? Which one has 26 protons?